Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today this video is going to be about our water filter system that we use in my home. So we have a dedicated faucet that we use because we don't buy bottled water and we drink a lot. We carry our bottles with us, and so having a dedicated filtered system was very important to us. I was gifted a brand last year and we really love that, but I wanted to try and test out different water filters to see which one is the best, or which one that we like the most, which one is has filters that last and are affordable. And so that's also really important, the longevity and the price point for the filters. I'm also a bit of a water snob, and all water does not taste the same. And if you drink water, you know that. So I do look for taste as well as what they can filter out, and the ratings and things like that, which this system that I'm using is going to be the Epic water filter system. And so I will leave a link down below for you all if you're interested. I also have a discount code, which will also be in the description. Setup was very easy, and so my husband, it wasn't me, my husband, he removed our previous system and we picked a spot for the new filter. So I wanted to be able to use the faucet that already came with my previous system, so there would be very minimal that we had to do. Like, we didn't have to replace anything, and I wanted to just keep it because we already had it, and I didn't want to be wasteful and purchase a whole new faucet. And so what I love about the Epic water filter system is that it was so easy to install. Once we removed the old system, we picked a spot for the new system to go. Now this Epic filter is taller. I feel like it's a little taller than the last system, and we have a garbage disposal underneath, and so it was important to make sure that everything fit. It does take up cabinet space having all the things that we have installed at the bottom, but this Epic filter is very slim, and I like that, and it's very easy to hook to the counter. It came with a bracket that you just screw in. You screw the filter into it, and it came with Velcro or screws to attach it, but we ended up just sitting it in underneath the cabinet, and it stays up like that. All we had to do was hook up the water lines from the old system into this new one, and it was very easy. We didn't have to buy anything. We didn't need anything extra. It was easy as far as just popping them in and letting it run. Once we set it up, we let it run for a few minutes. You have to let the filter prime and push out all the charcoal and extra filter bits that are in the system. So I think it was about 5 minutes we let it run. And so after that, I was able to taste the water, and it tastes good. It's very clean. There is no strange aftertaste. There's no funny smells or anything. The water is just very clean, and I like that. And we fill our bottles up, our cups. We use it daily, all day. And I just enjoy having filtered water. And I enjoy having filtered water that I know is clean and that I can trust. And so it's very helpful that, we can have that going for I believe this filter lasts a year. So I do like the fact that the filters are affordable and they last. So yeah, that is my review of Epic water filters. I highly recommend them. If anybody's looking to have filtered water in their home, just filtered drinking water, this is a really great setup, and it's affordable. And they also have different kits, and you can order your filters through Amazon, which we all use Amazon, so it's really convenient. Again, thanks for watching my video, and thank you to Epic water filters for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to see more content, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.